A beautiful message. You know, Gurudev has said that 4 virtues that we need for purposeful life. Do you have any idea that what are those? So let me tell you, the 4 virtues that Gurudev has suggested, that is called prudence, which is samajdari, then honesty, which is imandari, the third one responsibility, jimmedari, and the 4th one bahaduri, which is courage. Okay, let me ask question in my audience. Do we have, okay, the next one we have Anjana sitting down here. Okay, Anjana, since I know that you are a yoga teacher, okay, and we all know that Anjana and Hiranbai teaches the yoga, give us the seva, you know, about the yoga and pragya yoga, meditation, all that. Let me ask Anjana, what are the 4 formulas for the blissful life that you can think about that you might have heard from the Gayatri Parivar?
What a wonderful question, Nikki, this is. Who does not want blissful life? Everybody wants, right? So we have learned from elders and from our Gayatri Parivar that first is sadhana, which is self-refinement, and then swadhyay, the study of enlightening books. 4th is sanyam, which is self-control. We get self-control through meditation, breathing practices, and looking inwards. And then seva, which is service. So look at this, all volunteers. They are giving selfless seva to everyone. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjana. Just keep the mic with you. I have a next question in audience. I think I have a next question for Nirali first. Nirali, are you there? Because, you know, she has been raising her hand. Nirali, you want to just come over here? Yeah, I have a question since Nirali is also volunteer in parents group in a Bal Sanskar Shala. So Nirali, what do you think that 4 founding principles of the humanity?
Ekta, Mamta, Suchita, and Samta.
Very nice, exactly. And you know, Ekta, which is solidarity.
Unity.
Perfect, okay. And can someone come up with, Nirali, let me ask you, since you said in Hindi, what is Samta is? I didn't understand that.
Samta mean हम सबको एक सब मानते हैं.
Equality. There you go. Perfect. Thank you, Nirali. Now, these are the 4 principles that if we follow, Gurudev has said that in our life, you know, we can be successful. Okay. જ્યારે જ્યારે ધરતી પર અધર્મ અને અંધકાર વધ્યા ત્યારે ભગવાન વિષ્ણુએ અલગ અલગ અવતાર લઈને દુનિયાને બચાવી. આ 10 અવતાર માત્ર વાર્તાઓ જ નથી, પરંતુ જીવનમાં સત્ય, પ્રેમ અને હિંમતનો સુંદર સંદેશ આપે છે. In a simple terms, it teaches us that God appears in a different forms to protect the truth and to restore balance in the world. ચાલો મિત્રો, આનંદ અને ઉત્સાહ સાથે દશા અવતારની આ અદ્ભુત યાત્રાની શરૂ કરીએ. By our children from Gujarati 1 class, they have been prepared by their teachers Niketa Patel, Kami Patel, and Kiran Pandya. Thank you.
सतयुग त्रेता हरि के वाणा द्वापर कृष्ण मुरा कलयुग तुमरा कुल तारण तरण हरि आप लियो अवतार, आप लियो अवतार. जय वैकुंठपति श्याम प्रभु, जय वैकुंठपति श्याम. गोलोक गोकुलवासी, गोलोक गोकुलवासी, गोपाल लाल घनश्याम. जय वैकुंठपति श्याम. प्रथम मच्छारूप मोहन मनुराजा तार्यो प्रभु प्रहलाद ने आपी ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम पांच में वामन रूपे शिक्षा बलिराय ने दी शिक्षा बलिराय ने दी छठे परशुराम छठे परशुराम पृथ्वी नक्षत्री की दी ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम सात में प्रभु श्री राम रावण कुंभकर्ण रोया रावण कुंभकर्ण रोया आठ में आहिर माँ श्री कृष्ण ये आठ में आहिर माँ श्री कृष्ण यादव कुलतायु ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम नव में बूढ़े ध्यान धर्यो सेवक सुख करवा प्रभु सेवक सुख करवा दस में नकलंकी अवतर से दस में नकलंकी अवतर से कलयुग में हरवा ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम प्रभु जय वैकुंठपति श्याम गोलोक गोकुलवासी गोलोक गोकुलवासी गोपाल लाल घनश्याम ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम ओम जय वैकुंठपति श्याम
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
Such a divine performance. So, I would like to invite Gujarati 1 class teachers, Nikita, Cami and Kiran. Can you please come on the stage? And I would like to have Dhruv Patel and Heer Dhyani. Can you please come in the front right here, all 3 teachers? Dhruv Patel and Heer Dhyani. Can you come forward? Can you come forward? Heer Dhyani and Dhruv Patel. Where is Heer? Okay. Okay. So, Dhruv Patel. Can you say something for your teachers? Okay. Thank you.
મારું નામ ધ્રુવ છે અને અમે વાનવ ગુજરાતી એક ક્લાસમાં સ્ટડી કરીએ છીએ. નિકી માસી, કેમી માસી અને કિરણ માસી અમારા ગુરુ છે.
Good job, Dhruv. Good job.
I need help with the button. It's a little
ઓકે
scary.
લાવ હું ખોલી આપું લાવ હું ખોલી આપું છું સ્પીચ અંદર છે ઇટ્સ હિયર હિયર યુ ગો દેખાય છે તને
Wow, good job.
કાઢ્યા પોતાના લે here you go પતી ગયું બેટા
oh
it's okay